Thanks, Rick, for that introduction. I'm Graham Drake. I'm the Coldbuster Sales Manager for Underfloor Heating. Now, let me explain to you, first of all, why I've come here today. Very excited to help your business. We have a new point of sale display modular system. And you say, what the hell is that? But I want to show you because it is exciting for me and I think it will help your business grow, and it can be adapted to anything to suit the area that you have available, but also suit your business to help it encourage and grow your business with more services and products. So it's about your business, not ours, but let me, no further ado, show you the displays. Now, there's three different types of modular systems. The first one here, one of my favorite, is what we call the freestanding unit, okay? This has 6 modules on it, as you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next one over here is what we call our wall-mounted unit, obviously on the wall, and that has 8 modules, okay? And the third but not least is our unit here for the counter with a full graphic and a touch tile there. This is just 2 modules. Let me explain the difference in the modules and how they're adaptable to your business. The top one here, and there's a lot of these, okay, and you can have as many as these on your modular system, is what we call a full graphic module, okay? So it's a full graphic. It comes along with a piece of card that stays in there, okay? So that's to hold it rigid. This print can be changed at any time, okay? So all it is a paper print with your logo, your QR, your visual, what you want to promote in your business. So it could be seasonal, could be sales you're having. You have the ability to change this, obviously with the Coldbuster services and products. So that goes in there. This is held on simply with magnets. How easy is that? It's a piece of sellotape, bang, came off, all right? Now, these can be used anywhere in any of those modular systems to suit you, okay? Now, the next one I want to show you is our sample units. There's 4 different types of these. These are actually showing you real life what the flooring looks like underneath a different type of floor surfaces, under tile, under timber, in screed, under carpet, etc. So they're all shown that way with an explanation, but people love to see the real product, okay, and understand it. The next one down, very exciting, is the Touch Me Tile Heater. Obviously, you've got to have power to this. This comes available on this unit. The counter unit, the wall unit can do, but it's probably best preferences for the counter unit and the freestanding unit. Now, you touch that, it's warm, you know, interaction is a way of actually capturing your audience and make them interested and they all want to touch that. So that's the other thing. As you can see at the bottom there, I've done full graphic again, but I've just done thermostats. It could be heated towel rails, it could be anything. It's really adapting it to your type of business. Now, the other thing about the freestanding unit is on the casters, you can see, it can be wheeled in position where you want it in your showroom, lock it down, there it is. So if you want it in different places at different times for promotions, and we can wheel it back in there. Now, so they are the 3 types of modular units. The final one I want to show you is our handheld unit. Now, look at this. Comes with a little support leg behind so you can stand and climb. So this has been designed for those people and salespeople or businesses that are on the road. You might be going to display homes, builders, architects, clients, wherever, that you can carry it around to simply explain underfloor electric heating. And then there we are with the 5 different types that are available, and it just shows you them visually what it looks and how they work. And it has a couple of thermostats that just a representation that control that heating. So it's just a simple way of them actually visually seeing what electric underfloor heating is about. So that's the last one. I hope you liked seeing the units, and if you do want, you're interested and I can talk to you, love to try and help your business and help it grow, just get hold of, you know, it's about making more money and growing your business. That's what we're here for. So just reach out for myself, Graham Drake, or the Coldbuster sales team. Happy to help you out and have a talk. Thank you for your time.